Welcome back to my Handcrafty channel. Guess the answer by hint. Test your skill by answering the hint before starting. Please subscribe this channel. Let's start with this easy hints. Clue: founder of a nation known for law and justice. Answer: Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah. Clue: youngest Nobel Peace Prize winner from Pakistan. Answer: Malala Yousafzai. Clue: theoretical physicist and Nobel laureate. Answer: Dr. Abdus Salam. Clue: legendary singer of Dil Dil, Pakistan. Answer: Junaid Jamshed. Clue: human rights lawyer and activist. Answer: Asma Jahangir. Clue: father of Pakistan's nuclear program. Answer: Dr. Abdul Qadir Khan. Clue: national war hero known for 1965 war bravery. Answer: Major Raja Aziz Badi Shaheed. Clue: first female Pakistani scientist in medicine and virology. Answer: Dr. Sania Nishtar. Clue: cricket legend turned politician. Answer: Imran Khan. Clue: famous Urdu poet and philosopher. Answer: Allama Iqbal. Clue: Pakistan's first woman prime minister. Answer: Benazir Bhutto. Clue: famous nuclear physicist and author of Tahqiqat-e-Chagi. Answer: Dr. Samar Mubarakmand. Clue: educationist and founder of Beacon House school system. Answer: Mrs. Nasreen Kashuri. Clue: former Chief Justice of Pakistan, known for judicial activism. Answer: Iftikhar Muhammad Chaudhry. Clue: renowned painter and artist of modern Pakistani art. Answer: Sadiq Quain. Clue, popular Pakistani TV actress and anchor, known for Moin Actor Show. Answer, Bushra Ansari. Clue, first female fighter pilot to die in the line of duty. Answer, Mariam Mokhtar Shahid. Clue, young computer prodigy who passed Microsoft exam at 9. Answer, Arfa Karim Randhawa. Clue, first woman vice-chancellor of a Pakistani university. Answer, Dr. Naima Najam. Clue, Pakistani footballer recognized by FIFA for his talent. Answer, Kalamullah Khan. Thanks for watching.